Hi friends, welcome back. Alright, so friends, today I'm going to be teaching you about these two things over here, find and then the length function. Alright, for you to dynamically extract some parts of a particular text string, friends, you would really need to know about the find function and then the length function. Without these two things, you cannot extract dynamically subsets or parts of a particular text string. So for example, over here, friends, if I just want to extract the number 0 and 2 and then the number 2525 over here, the number 551 over here, 74703 over here, it becomes tedious to start typing in the numbers or copying and pasting the numbers. Alright, so I want to teach you right now how you can dynamically extract these numbers and let Excel automatically detect what to extract when it arrives at a particular cell. Alright, so friends, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be teaching you about the find function, and then I'm going to teach you about the length function. And then when we combine both the find and then the length function with the right or left function, then you're going to see how it makes sense, and then you're going to see how we can dynamically use it to extract some subset of our text string. Alright, so friends, at this juncture I'm going to be teaching you about the find function. Now at this juncture, friends, what I want to teach you right now is how to find some parts of your text string. Alright, so I'm going to be using what is called the find function, and what I want to find over here, friends, is just to find where we have a hyphen over here in this product ID. Alright, so for the entire product ID, I want to find the position where the hyphen sign exists, or where the hyphen sign occurs in our entire data set over here, friends. Alright, so the way I do this is I'm just going to double tap on this particular cell, and I'm going to say equals to and type in find, open up my bracket. Now it's going to ask me find text. Alright, so what am I looking for? That's what it's basically asking me. What are you looking for in this particular product ID? Alright, and then it's going to ask me within what text, right, are you looking for it, and then it's going to ask me for the stats number and all of those stuff. So what I'm going to do right now is specify what I'm looking for. I'm going to put it inside a quotation. All right, so I'm looking for a hyphen, and I'm putting inside quotation. I put my comma sign, and I'm looking for this hyphen inside this particular text string. All right, so I put my comma sign also, and then it's going to ask me for the stats number. All right, so the start number, of course, the position, that's what it's saying. All right, so A is in position number 1, J is in position number 2, and the hyphen is in position number 3. Alright, so friends, but let's see if we can get it without putting that information. As you can see over here, I didn't put the position over here, or the stats number rather over here. I just put what I'm looking for and within what text I'm looking for it. Alright, so that's basically what I did just to get this. So if I click on enter, of course it tells me that this exists in position number 3. Alright, so that's basically what we've gotten using the find function. So the find function has helped us to extract what position our hyphen is. Alright, so if I just come to the bottom right and then drag over to the end, you can see over here it's telling me that for everything over here, the hyphen exists in the 3rd position. For this entire data set, the hyphen exists in a 3rd position. Alright, so friends, without wasting much of your time, I would like you to take out time and then practice the find function, how you can find sections or particular elements of a text string here in Excel. Thank you so much. Alright, so friends, the next thing we're going to be doing right now, friends, having talked about the find function, we're going to have to talk about the length function, which is very much important here in Excel. Alright, so we're going to talk about the length. In discussing the length function over here, friends, what I want to really do is this. I want to get how many text, how many alphabets or numbers appear in this particular cell. In other words, in this case, for example, we have 5. The text string, of course, is going to be 5. How many letters are in this text string? Of course, there are 5 of them. A is 1, J is 2, right, hyphen is 3, 0 is 4, and then 2 is 5. Right, so I'm expecting the number 5 over here, and then I'm expecting the number 7 over here, and the rest. Alright, so different numbers for these different product IDs because they are of different lengths. Alright, so friends, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to double tap inside here. I'm going to say equals to, and as I type in the number length, as you can see, length comes up, right, telling me I'm trying to use the length function. So the next thing I need to specify is just the text. So I click on the text, and then I close my brackets and click on enter. Alright, so Excel is going to do the count and tell me that this has 5 characters inside this text string. If I drag down to the end, it's going to tell me the number of characters for each text string. For example, this text string has 7 characters, this has 6, and the likes. Alright, so friends, basically that's how we use the find function and then the length function. Alright, so friends, the next thing we're going to be doing right now is how to combine both the right and then the length function, and then with that I can show you the power of using the find and length function together with the left or right function to extract some subset of a particular text string. Alright, so friends, without wasting much of your time, I'd like you to just wrap your head around the length function.